Welcome student. In this video we'll see the intermediate question number 7, 8 and 9. See the construct a rhombus, base, one side and angle given. Like that the questions are there. From that first question is the draw a rhombus with one side base 5 centimeter long and angle of being 70 degree. See the student, base is a 5 centimeter. Now AB is a base 5 centimeter and connected angle will draw the 70 degree. See the match protector properly, mark 70 degree and join it. See the AB radius, which is a 5 centimeter, A at the center, draw one arc where is intersect, that is your D point. Now AB radius means 5 centimeter, we have taken A as the center, same radius D as the center, draw one arc, same radius B as the center, intersecting arc. Where is intersect? That point is your C point. Now join BC and DC. Like this way your required rhombus completed. Thank you students. Student will see the question number 8. Construct a rhombus with its diagonal 7 centimeter and one of its side is a 4 centimeter. Previous question we have seen one angle and one side they have given. In this question diagonal and one side they have given. Now we'll see the practical. So the student, AC is a 7 centimeter and one side they have given 4 centimeter. Now I have taken in my compass 4 centimeter. See the 4 centimeter. Now A as the center, draw one arc above and below one, means AC line both the side you have to draw the C as the center. Now intersecting arc and now mark the intersecting point and join it. This is your required rhombus AB and ABCD. Thank you students. Question number 9. Construct a rhombus with its two diagonals 9 centimeter and 7.3 centimeter. Now we'll see the practical. See the student, first diagonal is a 9 centimeter, which is AC is a 9 centimeter. Now bisect AC equal two part, take more than half radius, first arc, second arc, same radius, C as the center, first arc, intersecting arc and join the intersecting points. See the, we'll join the intersecting point and we'll produce this line till the above. Now in your compass take the, which is the second diagonal 7.3 centimeter, we'll take in compass. Intersecting point is name is O, and in your compass O as the center take 7.3 centimeter radius and mark, draw one arc on bisector line, that name is a D. Now DO, that you have to bisect horizontally. Now we'll see the how to bisect. O as the center, more than half radius, first arc, second arc, same radius, D as the center, intersecting arc, okay. Now join these two intersecting points. See the, join these two intersecting points. Where is the intersect? That is your A, B, C and this point is your D. Okay, now DO as a radius, take in your compass. See the student, DO as a radius, take it in your compass and O as the center, draw one arc below, means D intersecting point name is a B. A, B, C, D, your required rhombus will be completed. Joint ABCD. So student, OP we have taken 7.3, that we have bisect, that center we got D point, DO and DO as a radius, O as a center, below we have drawn the B point. Below we have drawn the B point, that is a O as a radius, that this is required. This DB 7.3, AC 9 centimeter. Thank you students. Question number 10. Construct a parallelogram with its two adjacent sides being 6 centimeter, 4 centimeter long and angle connected by them 55 degree. We'll see the practical work. Okay, AB is 6 centimeter, another side is a 4 centimeter. Now we'll take in compass 4 centimeter and connected angle will mark with a protractor. See the match on A, mark 55 degree angle and joint. See the angle A is a 55 degree. Now in your compass take 4 centimeter. Your compass take 4 centimeter radius. A as the center. Draw first arc. Mark D point. Intersecting point name is a D. Now same radius. B as the center. Draw one more arc. Now change your radius. Take AB radius, which is a 6 centimeter, and D as the center. Draw intersecting arc to previous arc. Okay, this is your C point. Intersecting point is the C. Now join BC and DC. This is your required rhombus, which is the one connected angle is a 55 degree. One side is a 4 centimeter. One side is a 6 centimeter. We'll see the question number 11. Question number 11. Construct a kite with its unequal sides being 3 centimeter and 5 centimeter respectively, and the angle connected by them being 100 degree. Now we'll see the practical. See the student, AB line 5 centimeter. Now mark 100 degree angle with the help of compass. Match on B and mark 100 degree angle. Join it. Now in your compass take 3 centimeter radius and B at the center. Mark draw one arc, which is the C arc. Now on the C keep the compass same radius, which is 3 centimeter, and draw one more arc. Now change your radius. AB as a radius and A as a center. Draw intersecting arc to previous arc. Okay, this is your D. Joint AD and DC. Joint AD and DC. This is your required kite. Angle B